nothing but raw skill. Big Daddy Kane at the sawmill. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Nothing but raw skill. Big Daddy Kane at the sawmill. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. I didn't always control my emotions. My ex is a hex with the disrespect. It's my fault for not putting her in check. At the time, my aggression wouldn't let me say a word. It wouldn't be heard. Look at the drama. Now the kids acting like a mama. We don't need your dad. Naturally, I'm mad. And what effect could my presence have? The intangibles. Let's do the math. Whatever's wrong, I only hold half. Now I have to laugh at myself cause I chose this path. Yo, Big Daddy Kane at the sawmill. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Nothing but raw skill. Big Daddy Kane at the sawmill. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel.
Well, so yeah, I got our cute little setup, our home away from home setup to do some edits and just sort of map out what the rest of our time here is gonna look like as we have our staycation slash work staycation. But the spot is dope, and a house tour will be coming, and around the property, we're right on the water. So that's really cool too. So when it's daylight again, we'll get some dope window shots. And yeah, so we're just kind of wrapping up for the night. Dinner was great.
Yeah. Once upon a time, we walked down this dirt road every day, throwing rocks along the way. It was me, Pee-wee, and CJ going to Lucy's. The chili dogs was juicy, and the punch was free.